everybody. My name is Nigel Maynard, editor of Custom Builder Magazine and Products. Welcome back to Mt Rainier, Maryland, the site of our SYMBI Duplex 1 demonstration project. If you've been following us over the past few months, you know that we're building a high-performance home here in Maryland. And today is siding day. The builders, Matt and Nicole, chose fiber cement product, but not just typical fiber cement product. This one, it's pre-finished. So instead of installing the siding and then painting it afterwards, they chose a product by Allura. This product comes pre-finished, pre-painted in the factory. So all you have to do is put it up, no fuss, no muss, no painting required. Now, we're gonna go talk to Matt to ask him why did they choose the pre-finished product over the typical install and see what they have to say. So let's go talk to Matt. So Matt, it's an exciting day here at SYMBI. The siding is going up. Tell me a little bit about what you guys chose for this.
Yeah, so we chose the Allura cementous siding that is pre-finished in the factory. This house, the color is white, and the actual Allura color is snow, and we just really enjoy this white color, and it's much more durable than painting in the field and gives us much more flexibility in the field too as far as weather.
So Matt, let's talk about the design of the house for a second, because the SYMBI is sort of a contemporary farmhouse. And I noticed that you chose the smooth board instead of the wood printed board. Why is that?
Well, like you just said, the contemporary portion of the house, we like the smooth surfaces, the small trims. You'll see that on the windows and doors we use a small trim. So we mixing the traditional architecture, trying to make it a little more modern, more SYMBI-esque.
Okay. So what is the exposure going to be on the house?
This is an 8 1/4 inch siding with a 7-inch exposure. And we chose 7 inches because of the size of the walls.
Okay. So it's a big tall wall. And
it's a big tall wall, lots of siding, so.
Okay. So is there anything special about the installation here today?
One thing great about the Allura product is the gaps we use for windows and for our starter strip is only 3/8 of an inch. So it allows us to, have a little tighter profile.
So like typical fiber cement install, once you cut it, you definitely have to seal the edges, right?
Yes, yes.
And so I'm sure your installers have some sort of dot kit that they just roll the edges.
Yes, yes, they have their paint set up over here, and as soon as they cut it, they'll hit it with the roller. And then they'll touch up the edges if it chips up a little bit. Right. And that'll protect us from moisture wicking into the ends.
Right. So on the walls, I noticed that you have some trim up as well, and I think the trim is also Allura, correct?
It is, correct. We like to use the Allura trim and siding together because they expand and contract in the same rate.
Right. Now, talk to me a little bit about your use of fiber cement.
Well, the pre-finished product is much more perfected system than it would be in the field, because you don't have, pollens and runs in your paint or dust when they're cutting the material, that's left on the material. And so the factory also has a very good warranty.
And so how many more days for the installation of the siding will go up?
I would say this house will probably take about 8 to 10 days.
Okay, great. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.